Hi all, just a real quick video in case you're still working on your bibliographies for your SIG-Def papers. If you're not using a citation manager like Zotero, you can still get the BibTex really easily just from Google Scholar. All you have to do is go find the article you want to cite, click on the little Cite button next to it, and then click on the BibTex link down here. That'll bring you to a page with the BibTex just for this article. You can copy and paste that directly into your .bib file that you're working from. And then you can go into your article and you can cite that new reference directly in your article wherever you want to. So you just do the \cite and then type in the name of the article. You gotta find the actual title they had there. In this case it was this one. And then when you recompile, it will go ahead and include that in your references list. There are other more advanced ways of doing this. You can even work with your libraries that you have in Google Scholar and collect a whole bunch of articles that way at once. But just wanted to give you this quick tip so that you can continue updating your bibliographies if you need to.